You trying to buy on graduation day?
What you got, bro? What you got?
Hey, you trying to buy? For the one time at graduation?
Rico, he's so many expired tickets.
Yeah. We at graduation practice right now. Let's go. Tomorrow's the day. I bet since I'm not going to school, I know I'm not going to school anymore, so I'm blowing it up. So we're just waiting for everybody to call their names. They already called my name. They got my tickets. It's low-key laggy, bro. I'm tired of this, bro. I'm done, bro. I'm done.
What's funny, huh?
I bet so we done, bro. It's cold, so we're gonna see. Let's go.
How was your sunset? I heard you left with a girl.
Okay, Rico.
No, it was a movie. I had to carry Marine style like over my back, carrying them the whole day, but it was alright. I liked it.
No way, he's selling chips right now.
No way he's selling.
What's up, guys? We're literally at my school. I'm literally about to graduate, bro. You can see the tassel. I'm gonna flip it over, throw the cap. See the drip? Look at the drip.
Look at the drip. You had to know for the one time.
They low-key popping out, putting it back in the bag, put the camera back in the bag. All right, we turn it into a vlog.
You guys can see I got my cord, I got my lay, and I got everything else. I was in an academy, actually, the Health Science Academy, for 3 years. COVID ruined it, bro. L-COVID, type L-COVID in the comments. You can see the drip.
You trying to buy on graduation day?
What you got, bro? What you got?
Got one of these. I opened it right now because I need to lose the air. I need to lose the air. You don't see the hat? Look at the hat.
Nah, that's crazy.
Hot Cheeto hat.
Hey, we got in the satchel, though.
Got a camera. You think they'll let me in with it?
Yeah.
I bet, guys. We just snuck in the camera.
So before we entered the graduation, like, gate area, whatever it's called, they were searching and patting us down, bro. I was getting groped and everything. I was like, bro, what are you touching? I snuck in the camera and I also snuck in some chips. You can see I was trying to sell them outside the gate, but once I got in the gate, I was like recording. I was trying to vlog, but then they almost saw me, bro, so I had to hide it. And then, bro, everything kept falling off my neck.
Graduated with bare neck. Bare neck.
Hey, you trying to buy the one time at graduation?
This nigga stay selling.
Record though for the one time.
So yes, bro, I stay selling every single day. And this dude wanted some chips, actually. I had to dig through my pockets, bro. I swear I couldn't find them. I don't know what was going on. I found the ticket. I ended up buying a ticket, but I didn't even use it, bro.
Give it to my mom. At graduation. Just sold at graduation.
Rico!
Subscribe.
Yes. Wait, how are you feeling today?
I feel pretty good. I wanted to drop. Who the f?
Wait,
I wanted to drop out 3 months ago. I wanted to drop the.
emailed all his.
Emailed all my teachers. I'm done. It was April Fool's prank. I was just kidding. I'm happy to graduate. When I walk the line, I'm vlogging. I'm like, wait. I wonder.
Choice in 30 seconds.
Miss
Got
White?
higher score than GD.
We're supposed to get a paper sign. Miss White didn't sign it, but I still got all my tickets.
When do we turn in our senior checkout?
What are you doing?
When do we turn in our senior checkout?
When do we get assigned?
I didn't get a sign. We're graduating.
These are my classmates and my teacher. Shout out to them.
Let me see your
She wanted to see my cap because I had the best cap out there, no cap. And I had my cords, my lays, and I even had a medal because I'm getting my education and I'm hustling. That's what I tell y'all to do. But you can see, bro, look at the drip, man. I even have my money lays too. Look at all the money.
Okay.
Don't matter.
You can see all the money lays I got. Look at all the money lays.
She said she's gonna take me drifting in the Hellcat. It's raining.
That's just fire. Literally fire.
Literally fire.
All right, bet. So we were just waiting right there, and they were giving us numbers to make sure we're organized because they were gonna parade us like we some animals around our whole track, bruh. So you can see we're already walking around the track. We went in groups, went in lines, and I was one of the first ones because I'm in the academy and my last name starts with an A. So Arce, G last name for real. So I was walking there. You can see everybody. They playing the original music like the dun, 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 dun. And I was so happy, man. I'm not even gonna cap. I almost ran into her. You can see the cap, bro. I stand out. Do I not stand out? And then I ran into her there, and this is my boy Raina.
Rico, he's so many expired tickets. You know what? Yeah, I did it, guys. It's raining. I gotta put the camera away. But we did it. You guys ever see me, bro? We sat down. I walked around the track. Suicide, I need Marquez the third.
They call me voice of the school because I was doing so much extracurricular activities. I even went to the district office to pitch how to improve our school. And you can see I'm happy, bro. I'm feeling myself. I'm looking good. I'm feeling good.
I made it.
All right, so I got Chesters in my pocket. Right when I walk on stage, I'm gonna open the bag and start eating it.
Yeah.
So before we walked out, they gave us a card that had our name, academy, and anything else that we wanted to mention. And bro, I forgot it, man. So I was stressing. I was looking at my pocket when I was walking over. I was nervous. I was like shivering, bro. I was like, what am I gonna do? They're not gonna know how to say my name because they always mispronounce my last name. They say Arce, Arce, Arc. I'm like, bro, what? Just say my name. It's George Rico Arce the fourth. Get that right. So I'm walking over. I was low-key shivering, but then you're just gonna see.
George Rico Arce the fourth, HSA.
Man, when they finally called my name and they said it right, I was super happy. My family, you can hear all the horns going off. Shout out my mom, dad, brothers, and everybody else that shook me on my day. I should made me the cap. And you guys can see I'm already eating the hot fries. I shook their hands, got my diploma. Went up there, bro. I was eating the hot. Like, I couldn't do this. I had to do this, man.
I did it! I did it! I did it! Oh! Oh!
I truly believe I lived my senior year to the best, and I'm glad it happened. But am I glad I'm out of school? Yes, because now I'm grinding. You can read this if you want. Look it on the screen and deuces.